Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. And today I'm going to share with you a grocery haul from Smith's, which is a Kroger, and a Walmart grocery haul. And then join me as I cook dinner tonight. It's going to be super easy, but I thought I'd take you guys along. Okay, this section is kind of like the Walmart section here. I grabbed some paper plates. We were all out. I got our lizard some country greens. Here, Jonah, go feed her. Some mild cheddar cheese, a pack. This is 32 ounces. Some ham, lunch meat. Some mini bagels. The kids love the mini bagels. Some string cheese. The Tillamook sharp white cheddar. Oh, I love that. 3 ready-to-bake pie crusts. This is what I bake our tuna fish pie with, or I call it here on the vlogs tuna pot pie. I'll have a link for you. So good. Jonah's been requesting it, so I don't make my own crusts for it. My mom does. I'm just like, let's just get this on the table. Some milk, a 2-pack of paper towels. I grabbed for each bathroom some flushable wipes. Some cookies and cream, metal gold ice cream. The kids love cookies and cream. A big box of 60 eggs. Deodorant. This is the Degree Stay Fresh. I love that. Some Chobani yogurt strawberry. I love eating this with some granola that I have in the pantry. A big guy of strawberries. They look so good. And I still have some cottage cheese in the refrigerator that Shaylee loves eating blueberries and strawberries with the cottage cheese. Also, I grabbed a big guy of mushrooms because I have my Salisbury steak on the menu, on the agenda, so grab that. And I think that's all of Walmart, so let me show you what I got at Smith's. Wonder Bread, 2 packages. I haven't had Wonder Bread in years, so I'm really excited. I grew up on Wonder Bread, so I'm gonna have that. Radishes, a package of radishes. I love these. Haven't bought any in a very long time. Some sweet potatoes. I'm gonna try my sweet potato recipe in the Instapot. Of course, I'll take you guys along with me. Some carrot chips for dipping. Look at this little package. It was like $1 something of cuties instead of grabbing a big thing. So I grabbed that. I'm going to be eating a lot of these while watching the Hershey track meet for our kids' school. They like compete with other schools in the area for their grade. So I'm going to be watching, and I'll just nibble on those. Some bananas, Brussels sprouts, hearts of romaine lettuce, cucumbers, sugar snap peas. These are so yummy. We'd love to dip these. Some tomatoes. Look how gorgeous these look. Oh my gosh. Extra sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to be sharing a video of what I am doing with this. 2 rotisserie chickens. Oh my gosh. Garlic herb fresh roasted. This is what we're going to have for dinner tonight. I did not feel like going, I don't know. I just am not in the mood to cook entirely, so I grabbed 2 rotisserie chickens and a watermelon. This sucker is heavy, so I don't know if it's going to be any good. We shall see. And then I'm surprised Derek with 2 packages of ribs so he could smoke them up. Korean barbecue and Kansas City barbecue. So excited. I can't wait to surprise him with those. And I saw these containers at Smith's, and I've seen them everywhere by Rubbermaid, and I am excited to try these. They're called Brilliance. The way that they snap, they're completely leak proof. We shall see. So I'm going to be using them in my refrigerator. These cereals were 2 for $3. I hardly buy the kids sugar cereal, so I grabbed Frosted Flakes and Pops. So we will try that out. All right, so this is my grocery haul, and yeah, so now come along as I just put dinner together tonight. right, I've never done corn on the cob in the Instant Pot, so I'm gonna give it a shot tonight. I looked up some ways of doing it, so I'm gonna add a 1.5 cups of water, and we're going to cook it on high pressure for 2 minutes. All right, Derek just cut up the watermelon. If you want to see how to cut it up in slices like this that are even better for serving, I have a video on it. Just click on the link below or up above. Okay, the corn is done. The corn that I picked, of course, it's not corn season, so it isn't like the crispiest. So instead of 2 minutes, I should have done 1 minute. So, but I think if it's good, crisp corn, 2 minutes would have been perfect. But still, it'll be great. Corn's always delicious with butter and salt. Okay, we're using paper plates because Mama don't want to do dishes tonight. So here is the chicken, all the veggies and watermelon, and I'm about to put their corn on a separate plate. We're having it with the BYU Creamery Ranch. Oh, so good. And yeah, that is dinner tonight.